Did you know? Afang leaf has high dietary fiber content, which aids weight loss and increases metabolism. It also improves digestion, acts as a laxative, and also prevents constipation. Hello, viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am excited to share my new video with you. Do join me. Let's cook Afang soup with chicken. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard British Airways Flight 707 bound for Prague. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard British Airways Flight 707 bound for Prague.
Do try this soup in your next cooking and tell me how sumptuous it tastes. I'll be waiting in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.